this is how the Qsuites look like, and this is the inside how Qsuites look like. I'll just show you the menu of the business class Qatar Airways. So this is just the snacks platter. It has a duck spring roll, it has beef balls, the paneer and some other stuff, and this is a menu which has some mains. So this is an a la carte menu. It has the soups, appetizers, chicken kabsa, all the Arabian dishes. And here you have traditional Arabic breakfast and some light options if you want to try some salads. And I like this sojeni. It's a non-alcoholic beverage. It looks like a champagne. And then you have mocktails. I also like a saffron and cardamom tea here. It's amazing. Yeah, that's it. So let's see how it goes. And we just took off from the Houston. This is how it looks. So I got these breads and the lemon olive oil. So I'm gonna put it here and then mix it with bread. And this is artificial candle. So I got the vegetable Thai curry with the jasmine rice and have some brinjals and some mushrooms. So it's evening in Houston and I'm in the plane, and see how outside evening looks like. Gives a sunset. And so I'm landing in Doha, and Doha airport is very near to the sea. You can see there's a... So I'm descending in Doha, and Doha airport is very near to the sea, and you can see we are very close to it, and then there is a runway. And this is how the camera looks like. And if you want to see the rear camera, it's not showing, but in Doha. This is a driverless metro inside the Doha airport.